Hey everyone, good morning, afternoon, or evening. So as you may or may not know, I am an ambassador for Brave Browser, and they were kind enough to send myself and all other ambassadors a little bit of a thank you, and I think it arrived. So let's go around and take a look and see. All right, let's go around here, take a look. Uh-oh, I know that insignia. Ooh, check that out. Very nice. So we're going to go inside, we're going to open this bad boy up and take a look and see what they were nice enough to send. All right, so I'm going to open this up. It's kind of tricky because I'm holding on to my phone with one hand. I'm going to be cutting this with the other, so let's open this up. All right, let's open this guy up, see what's in here. Tough to do with one hand, but we're going to give it a shot. There we go, and we've got one. Spin this around. I'm excited to see what they were kind enough. As you know, being a Brave ambassador, we're not paid. We're volunteering our time to help promote Brave and BAT. And if you're not familiar with the basic attention token or the Brave browser, you really need to be. And if I can get this other piece open, we'll be good to go. Yeah, I'm just going to try this side. You know, a GoPro would probably be a good idea right now at this point, or something else. A tripod. All right, here we go. So we're going to open this up. Take a look. I have no idea what's inside this, by the way, guys. Let's see here. What's this? Looks like a shipping label. I don't want to look at it. I want to be surprised. Let's see. What's this? We're just going to take everything out. What's this? Oh, what's this? A thermos? Let's see. And of course, oh, we got to do it this way. All right. What is this? Wow, cool. Oh, wow, it looks like you'd fit in the car too. A thermos, probably for hot or cold beverages. Awesome. Sit that there. It doesn't fall over. Let's see here. What is this? Looks like a straw. Maybe you can put in, I think maybe you can put it in there perhaps. Oh, it looks that way. I think you could probably put it in this too. That's cool. Let's see what else is in here. What do we got? We have, it looks like a refrigerator magnet. Sweet. I will put that up there also. We have, what is this? These are, what is it? Subscribe? What is all this stuff? Let's see here. It looks like these are, I'm going to put this down. Brave browser. Oh, cool. Do we give these away? Cookie consent. Oh, subscribe. Cool. All right, cool. I think we're able to give these out. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see here. What is this? Oh, what is this? Are these more stickers? Check this out. Oh, cool. What are these? A pin? Is that a pin? Huh. Oh, nice. Looks like some more. Let's take this out of here. If I can open, okay. Oh, you know what? These are stickers. Okay, great. I can slap one right on there. Awesome. What is this? These might be smaller ones. What's it? Oh, check this out. What is this? Wow, look at that. Looks like a journal. This could be used for seed phrases, things like that. So that's amazing. Let's see. I want to check out this shirt. Let's take a look. Let's see here. Yeah, man, look at that. Gotta love it. Thank you so much for everything that you do for privacy, for security globally, and to protect users so they're not getting spammed or scammed, or their privacy's our privacy, because I'm a Brave browser user myself. So just wanted to say thank you so much. And if you haven't checked out Brave browser, you really need to do that. I will post the link to go download Brave for yourself. Guys, have a great day. Thank you to my fellow ambassadors and to the Brave team. You guys are rock stars and amazing. Keep up the fantastic work, and I will see you again here soon.